market, kasuwa, sell, siyarwa, buy, siya, saya, bargain, ciniki, price, farashi, discount, ragi, surplus, rara, cheap, arha, expensive, tsada. Alright, don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe to me in this video.